time to take profits on Cosmos, Adam? Is the technology and fundamental strong enough for Cosmos to be worth $50? Okay, so I mean he's not holding back. He's saying, is Cosmos going to $50 is the question. So let's have Bill pull that up.
Okay, coming up. Okay, so can Cosmos go to $50? Okay, well, let's think about this for just a moment before I start talking about the chart, right? Cosmos has been traveling in this sort of downward sloping, it hasn't been a lot of fun to be a Cosmos bull this year. Matter of fact, you kind of got like super left out. So Cosmos has been like they've been holding it down, and then they let it go, and all of a sudden it's going up. So in that sense, there's a lot of people, and it's big enough to where bigger players could pour in. Now, can it go to 50? I don't have anything on this chart that would indicate 50, but Cosmos has been hanging out down here and making this sort of like, I don't know, maybe this like squarish base. Mm-hmm. Now, one of our taglines on the show is the bigger the base, the higher in the space, right?
Right.
Cosmos hasn't done anything for a year. So not only has it been held down, mm-hmm. but it's traveled in this like base that, you use to launch a rocket.
Now, quick question. What's the all-time high for Cosmos? Is it, it's not there? Okay. It's pretty low.
Yeah, it's not a big number. I mean, that chart had it at like 8. I mean, if Cosmos goes to 50, where does that put Chainlink, right? One day somebody's going to be as big as Ripple. I don't know which coin it is. I just know that it's good for the crypto market to have leadership. So first was Chainlink was leading everything, and then Chainlink stopped. And of course, as I said, your friendly neighborhood technical analyst traveled the wall of worry, and then all of a sudden Cosmos was there. So I don't know if Cosmos can go to 50, but I sure am glad Cosmos is taking over market leadership.
Yeah. So actually, let me check into Cosmos on Token Metrics. So as we mentioned earlier in the show, I mean Cosmos is right behind Polkadot, I think, in terms of similar project with same use case of trying to connect other blockchains, and we think this one is about to move. I mean, so pulling up my screen here, fundamentals good, technology good, TA good, everything is good. Once again, apologies with the graphics, that's kind of being fixed. Going to the price predictions. Excuse me. Okay, so yeah, so I mean, it's Cosmos has really kind of been going sideways, as Bill mentioned. It's not really been part of this DeFi movement. But now we think with the hype and the narrative of interoperability with Polkadot, a lot more people will start to pay attention to Cosmos, because some people might think Cosmos is undervalued, right? Because looking at this, after Polkadot launched, boom, right? Cosmos is now shot up to $8. So it's going to take our models a few days to adapt to this huge upswing here. But I mean, if we go to the ratings page, just to kind of actually, yeah, let me go to the ratings page. So if we just look at, okay, Cosmos has great technology. So from a technology score, Polkadot got a 90% tech score by our tech team. Cosmos got an 85%. So they're pretty close, but we think Polkadot has better technology. So here, just give me a second as this is loading. So I think if we look at the market cap that Polkadot has launched with versus the market cap Cosmos has, and we see, okay, what could possibly happen, right? I think that kind of is a good way to kind of model that. Okay, so this is loaded. Excuse me. Okay, I can definitely take some water right now. Okay. Okay, so looking at market cap. So Cosmos has $1.7 billion market cap. And if we go to DOT, okay, this hasn't yet been pulled in from CoinMarketCap, it looks like. Okay, let me just double check. Sometimes it takes a while for the data to come in from CoinMarketCap, because I saw it on the first page on the homepage, so I would think they would have that data. Okay, all right, so where was... Okay, yeah, not sure why it's not pulling up. We might have to try CoinGecko. This is what happens when we do it live. Okay, all right, so we want the new dot, the new polka dot. Yeah, so Bobby Ross says still has old coin. Yeah, so they don't have it here. Okay, yeah, so we don't have the circulating supply. Well, actually, it's not showing it here, but it says reported circulating supply. So, I mean, theoretically, we can just calculate this. So, if we take 897,658,000 dot times right now is $3.99. That gives us 3.5 billion market cap. So basically, it's Cosmos is 1.7, so Polkadot is twice the market cap of Cosmos. So in terms of, if we go back to CoinMarketCap's homepage, where would 3.5 billion put Polkadot? And then seeing, okay, how does that fare with where Cosmos is? So that would make it basically top 10 market cap for Polkadot. So basically number 8, number 9. So yeah, I think Polkadot definitely is a better project than Bitcoin SV, than Crypto.com. While Cosmos is 16th. So I think with that narrative, Cosmos honestly can just ride the tails of Polkadot, similar to how Chainlink and Band Protocol was able to ride the Oracle narrative with Chainlink to end up becoming a top 50 or to 60 market cap project. Where's Band? Yeah, top 60 project, right? I mean, while Band does have decent technology, I think the Chainlink narrative definitely helped a lot. So I think the same is going to happen with Cosmos. So I think Cosmos, even though it's top 20, it's been pretty stagnant, right? So I mean, I'm not really surprised now. Today it's up 32%, right? I mean, I'm not sure if I missed some news, but I don't think I heard any major news. I think people are just kind of expecting this to do well because of Polkadot, because it's kind of going to be lumped into the same narrative. Maybe people who missed out on Polkadot might want to find something they think is undervalued. But yeah, tell us what you think. Do you think Cosmos can go to $50? I mean, that would mean basically almost a 5x from current prices, right? And kind of as Bill mentioned, I think the entire market would have to do well, but it would still have to outperform the market to get to that price point. So tell us what you think down in the comments below.